Today we're diving into one of the most mysterious and talked about next-generation fighter projects, the new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41. What is the Mig-41? The Mig-41, often linked with Russia's PAKDP program, is expected to replace the legendary Mig-31 interceptor. It's designed as a high-speed, long-range aircraft focused on air dominance at extreme altitudes. Design and stealth concept. Reports suggest a futuristic airframe with reduced radar signature, advanced composites, and a focus on hypersonic performance. Unlike traditional stealth fighters, the MiG-41 prioritizes speed and altitude over close-range dogfighting. Engine and speed. The MiG-41 is rumored to feature next-generation engines capable of Mach 4+ speeds. This would make it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever envisioned, able to intercept targets even near space. Weapons and combat role. The aircraft is expected to carry long-range air-to-air missiles, hypersonic weapons, and possibly anti-satellite capabilities. Its main role is rapid interception of stealth bombers, hypersonic missiles, and high-value aerial targets. Avionics and technology. Advanced AI-assisted avionics, powerful radar systems, and network-centric warfare capabilities are anticipated. Some concepts even hint at optional unmanned or semi-autonomous operation. Expected timeline. While officially still under development, the 2026 timeline represents early prototypes or technology demonstrations rather than full operational deployment. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41 represents a bold vision of future air combat, extreme speed, extreme altitude, and next-level interception power. If realized, it could redefine what an interceptor fighter can be. Stay tuned to Bike Zone for more cutting-edge defense and technology updates.